हरिः कर्ता।
Welcome to the most exciting module of Matplotlib, that is animations with Matplotlib. So now let's animate graphs using Matplotlib. So based on its plotting functionality, Matplotlib also provides an interface to generate animations using the animation module. So an animation is a sequence of frames where each frame corresponds to a plot on a figure. So this module covers a general guideline on how to create such animations and the different options available. So before we jump into the actual animations, let's prepare everything. Let's prepare Jupyter notebook editor, and then let's import the modules which are required. Let me save this and close it. So let me click on new one. So name it as animations, and let's import what all tools that are required. So as usual, import matplotlib matplotlib dot pyplot as plt and execute it. Hence it's been imported. Then we will go for the another one. Import matplotlib dot animation. This is what the animation module is going to be imported, and we will import it as animation only. Okay, just animation. And the animation module has also been imported. So let me cross check animation dot, and these are the things ABC, and then animation cbook display template image HTML writer logging mcolors mpl np path sys. So these are different methods and attributes which are available for us. So now let me import numpy, because we have to deal with arrays. So import numpy as np, and here it is. So all prepping up is ready. Now let's get back to the action.